We are back again. This time we are in the hood of my Silverado. This is a 5.3 V8 four-wheel drive, and we are going to take a look at the mass airflow sensor here. And because I cleaned the mass airflow sensor of my 99 Mazda Protege, you can reference that video. It was done in 3 parts, and I'm curious about this one. So I've never messed with it before, don't even know what kind of conditions it is in, but I think cleaning it would help. So I'm going to attempt to find somewhere to position y'all. I'm not sure. Let me see. Might be able to do it about right here. I have a stand on my phone, but I should be able to see. We're gonna learn together, okay? Maybe. So first, I'm gonna disconnect it. Maybe. No. Like I said, I have not messed with this sensor before, so bear with me. So you pull this little clip out, and then should be able to just pull that off. Okay, so disconnect it, and then I want to loosen the clamps on both sides. I have one over here, and one over here. Okay, let's see what we got. Comes off just like that. Don't have much room over here, but there. I don't even know. Hold on, you gotta bear with me because bear with me. I don't know how to maneuver it. Might be easier to remove the housing over here, so you have more room. See if I can help have that off of there. Go the other way with it. Loosened. It's just on there kind of tight. Obviously hasn't been removed in a while. As far as I know, everything is stock in here. Oh man, get it out. I feel it. It could turn. Means it's not stuck. trying to feel around at the bottom to see if anything's in the way. It says you're just going to come out here and fiddle. That's what I said. I said I was going to come out here and fiddle. There ain't no fiddling to be done around here. Why is this? Okay. So I've tried that. I am thinking I could try have the right size star bit to take off this housing for the air filter. I need to have to go in and look for one. It's just so cramped in here. Let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back. It just took a little bit of muscling around in uncomfortable ways to get it off. I got it off. I just didn't want to have to take off anything else extra that I probably should have. So here it is. It actually doesn't look too bad. From what I can tell, there's these little bitty sensors in there. I don't know if I can get you a good look. Well, I'm wearing my shades too, so it makes it a little difficult for me to even see. So that might help to remove those. Okay, so you see those little lines going horizontally across? Those are little sensors. And as far as I can tell, I don't see anything dirty or grimy. And I think that little nodule thing right there, I think that's a sensor too. So I wonder if I can spray, just because I already have it off, I wonder if I can just go ahead and spray some cleaner on it. And maybe not damage anything else. Maybe. I'm trying to position y'all here. I need to check on my fluids too. Here, let me try putting you up here. Okay, I was just reading. Just reading. Let me go get some towels real quick. 1 second. Hey y'all, Phil, I heard you fall over. Okay, I better hurry up. Don't have much time remaining. So if it cuts out, just know that I ran out of space again. I don't know. Don't ask me. It's ridiculous. I think I'm going to spray this from top down. So wind's going this way now. It was going that way earlier, so. got that all sprayed out. I'm going to let this sit and dry for a little bit. I'm just going to let it sit here and dry. So, probably cut off the video. I might come back with another video, part 2, but we got to cut it off for now just because I'm going to let it sit and dry for a little while. I'm going to put all the things I don't need up, and we will be back.